Question number 1. You check the thermometer at 8:00 a.m. and the temperature reads 32 degrees Fahrenheit. You checked the temperature again and realized it had dropped 11 degrees. What is the current temperature? Exactly. 21 makes sense and it is right choice. Question number 2. A football team gained 7 yards on the first play, lost 14 yards on the second play, and gained 11 yards on the third play. How many yards have they moved from their starting spot? Well picked. Plus 4 yards is the correct answer. Question number 3. The temperature on a cold winter day starts out at 10 degrees, but it drops rapidly 24 degrees due to a strong cold front moving in. What is the current temperature? Well done. 14 is the right choice.
Question number 4. In a golf math, Jesse scored 5 over par, Neil scored 3 under par, Filippo scored 2 over par, and Dawson scored an even par. Order the players from to greatest.
Clear logic. Your choice, Neil, Dawson, Filippo, Jess is sound and 100% true. Question number 5. Over a 6-week period, the price of a gallon of gas increased by 18 cents. If the price changed the same amount each week, what was the average change per week? Correct response. 3 cents is the most accurate answer. Question number 6. What is the opposite of the integer on the number line? Nice work. You chose 7, and it is correct. Question number 7. Determine which expression is represented by the model. Nicely done. 5 plus 3 is a solid answer. Question number 8. Use the counters to find the sum of the integers. Smart move. 1 is an accurate answer. Question number 9. At 7:00 p.m. the temperature was 40 F. If the temperature dropped steadily at a rate of 6 degrees per hour, was the temperature at 11:00 p.m.? Excellent. 16 degrees is a brilliant choice. Question number 10. On Monday, the temperature was 5 degrees in the morning. The temperature rose 14 degrees throughout the day. What was the final temperature? Good job. Your answer 9 works well here. Question number 11. A mountain climber climbed up a cliff 50 feet at a time. He did this 5 times in one day. What was the overall change in his elevation? Good thinking. 250 feet is the right answer. Question number 12. Order from least to greatest. 5, 10, 0. Strong choice. 10, 5, 0 is the right answer. Question number 13. A car backs up 23 feet, followed by 9 more feet. The car's position can be represented by the expression 23 plus what is the sum? Well reasoned. 32 is the correct choice. Question number 14. The football team lost 8 yards on every play for 5 plays. Which integer shows the total number of yards the team has lost? Right choice. 40 is the best answer. Question number 15. The temperature was 20 degrees in Alaska and 85 degrees in Hawaii. What is the difference between the two temperatures? On track. 85 equal to 105 is the correct answer. Question number 16. Choose the correct option. Excellent choice. Sen is the right answer. Question number 17. If the temperature drops 5 degrees every hour for 9 hours, which integer represents the change in temperature? Perfect. 45 is the correct choice. Question number 18. X dash equal to 84. Sharp thinking. 7 is the right choice. Question number 19. Determine the integer that best represents the following situation. A 15-point loss added to an 8-point gain. Bravo, 7 is the answer. Question number 20. Every Friday for 8 weeks, Kylan withdrew $35 from his savings account. How much did he withdraw in all? You got it? Your choice 280 is right. Question number 21. A submarine at 32 feet dives down 18 feet. After the dive, what will be the submarine's elevation? Great thinking. 50 is the right choice. Question number 22. If you are adding two negative numbers, will your answer be positive or negative? Valid point. Negative is true. Question number 23. If my equation has an even number of negative signs, my answer will be dash. You chose positive, and it is correct. Question number 24. If an equation has an odd number of negative signs, then my answer is dash. Smart pick. Negative is the correct choice. Question number 25. 5 dash. Which addition sentence represents the same problem? Right again. 5 plus 17 is a valid answer. Question number 26. Which integer represents a gain of 10 yards on a football play? Great job. Plus 10 is the accurate answer. Question number 27. A number's distance from 0 on a number line is known as dash. You're right. Absolute value is the correct answer. Question number 28. What is the product of positive integer and negative integer? Nice selection. Negative is the correct and valid answer.
Question number 29. A positive number is dash less than a negative number.
Correct. Never is the right answer. Question number 30. Choose the correct symbol to make it true. 23-16. Solid response is a valid choice. Question number 31. What is the distance from 10 to 5 on a number line? Solid response. 15 spaces is a valid choice. Question number 32. Which addition expression is equivalent to 7? Good job. Your answer 7 plus 3 works well here. Question number 33. When moving left on a number line, the numbers dash. Clear logic. Your choice decrease in value is sound and 100% true. Question number 34. Name the integer dash 12 units to the right of 0. On track, 12 is the correct answer. Question number 35. Numbers greater than 0 are positive numbers. Strong choice. True is the right answer. Question number 36. Is the product AIF positive or negative? Perfect. Positive is the correct choice. Question number 37. Which distance has the least absolute value? Great thinking. 16 feet is the right choice. Question number 38. Numbers less than 0 are negative numbers. Right choice. True is the best answer. Question number 39. The opposite of a negative is always a dash. Excellent. Positive is a brilliant choice. Question number 40. Name the integer dash, the opposite of 17. Good thinking. 17 is the right answer. Question number 41. Negative integers are dash then 0. You got it. Your choice less is right. Question number 42. Express as an integer at sea level. Right again. Zo is a valid answer. Question number 43. Express an integer, a debt of $50. Nice work. You chose 50 and it is correct. Question number 44. Absolute value is always dash. Valid point. Positive is true. Question number 45. 12 and 12 are example of dash. Nicely done. Opposites is a solid answer. Question number 46. What is the opposite of 10? Well done. 10 is the right choice.
Question number 47. Absolute value of L6 by 2 fell.
You chose 625 and it is correct. Question number 48. Which is not negative? Correct response. Bonus is the most accurate answer. Question number 49. What is a zero pair? Well picked. 1 negative, 1 positive is the correct answer. Question number 50. 5 plus equal 2. Smart pick. 12 is the correct choice. Question number 51. 3 plus e equal 2. Exactly. 15 makes sense and it is right choice. Question number 52. Plus 5 plus equal 2. Great job. 22 is the accurate answer. Question number 53. What is 16? Correct. 25 is the right answer. Question number 54. 7 plus 2 plus equal 2. Sharp thinking. 1 is the right choice. Question number 55. 3 plus 5 plus equal 2. Bravo. 2 is the answer. Question number 56. 1 plus a plus 3 equal 2. Nice selection. 3 is the correct and valid answer. Question number 57. Opposite of 142. Excellent choice. 142 is the right answer. Question number 58. 100 equal to dash. Well reasoned. 35 is the correct choice. Question number 59. 4 plus 10 plus. You're right. 4 is the correct answer. Question number 60. 9 plus 10. Smart move. 10 is an accurate answer. Question number 61 equal to. Smart move. 53 is an accurate answer. Question number 62. 4 plus equal to. Smart pick. 7 is the correct choice. Question number 63. 22 plus. Well picked. 46 is the correct answer. Question number 64. 11 plus. You chose 23 and it is correct. Question number 65. 2 plus 19 plus 2. Great thinking. 19 is the right choice. Question number 66. 2 plus equal to. Nicely done. 6 is a solid answer. Question number 67. 2 equal to. Nice work. You chose 8 and it is correct. Question number 68. 14 plus. Valid point. 27 is true. Question number 69 equal to. Exactly. 1 makes sense and it is right choice. Question number 70. 15 plus. Good thinking. 5 is the right answer. Question number 71. 10 plus. Bravo. 14 is the answer. Question number 72. 25 plus. Excellent choice. 13 is the right answer. Question number 73 plus 7. Strong choice. 5 is the right answer. Question number 74. 9 plus. Well done. 14 is the right choice. Question number 75. 5 plus. Right choice. 12 is the best answer. Question number 76. 7 plus. Nice selection. 7 is the correct and valid answer. Question number 77, 3 plus. Correct. 11 is the right answer. Question number 78, 8 equal 2. Great job. 4 is the accurate answer. Question number 79, 7 plus 4 equal 2. Solid response. 3 is a valid choice. Question number 83 plus. You're right. 6 is the correct answer. Question number 81, 13 plus 18. You got it. Your choice 5 is right. Question number 82, 3 equal 2. Clear logic. Your choice 9 is sound and 100% true. Question number 83, 2 equal 2. Perfect. 4 is the correct choice. Question number 84, forks. Sharp thinking. 24 is the right choice. Question number 85, 5 plus. Excellent. 3 is a brilliant choice. Question number 86, plus 7. Well reasoned. 2 is the correct choice. Question number 87, 3 plus 12. Right again. 9 is a valid answer. Question number 88, 110 equal 2. On track. 11 is the correct answer. Question number 89, 8 plus 10. Good job. Your answer 2 works well here. Question number 97 plus 13. Correct response. 6 is the most accurate answer. Question number 91, 3 plus 3. Smart move, Zoe is an accurate answer. Question number 92, 7 plus 2. Well reasoned. 5 is the correct choice. Question number 93, 8 equal 2. You got it. Your choice 16 is right. Question number 94, 3 plus 7. Sharp thinking. 4 is the right choice. Question number 950 plus the 7. Strong choice. 7 is the right answer. Question number 96. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format. Solid response. Contact Narayan Chengder on Facebook is a valid choice.